So today we will be talking about the two mechanisms of evolution. Let me just say that there are actually five: genetic drift, mating, natural selection, gene flow, mutation. Gene flow is basically the immigrating and emigrating of alleles. Natural selection just basically means like the environment favoring a trait to survive, and then mutation just means an error in the DNA. And there's harmful, neutral, and beneficial mutations. But obviously, harmful is more common. So now we'll talk about genetic drift. So genetic drift means, I'll also say that evolution means a change in allele frequency. And an allele frequency means how common an allele is in a population. So genetic drift means a random change that happens in allele frequency, especially in a small population that results in a new allele frequency by chance. So it's completely random, and it can happen like just out of nowhere. It's random, and it results in a new allele frequency because of a change. And there's two types of genetic drift: bottleneck effect and founder's effect. So bottleneck effect means a large population becomes small due to a random disaster. And it can be any disaster like starvation, a virus, natural disaster, etc., etc. And then founder effect means a small population leaves and starts a new population. And the thing is, this can result in more homozygous, harmful recessive alleles. And it also results in founder effect can result in low genetic diversity and rare alleles becoming more common. So basically, in summary, bottleneck effect means a large population becomes small due to random disaster, and founder effect means a small population leaves and starts a new population that results in low genetic diversity and harmful alleles being more common. Or rare alleles being more common, my bad. Rare alleles becoming more common is what founder's effect can lead to. And then now we'll talk about mating. As you can see, a lot of mating. So firstly is inbreeding. Inbreeding means two same individuals mate with each other. So that means, say, like a brown dog mates with a brown dog. That's inbreeding because it's the same individuals. And this results in more homozygous traits and harmful recessive allele traits. So that's what inbreeding leads to. As founder effect results in low genetic diversity and rare alleles becoming more common. But inbreeding results in more homozygous recessive harmful alleles common. And it's when two similar individuals mate with each other. So that's inbreeding. And then preferred phenotype means people choose to mate based on which phenotype they want. So say a brown dog wants to mate with a pink dog. That's called preferred phenotype. And then assortative mating, it means that those people who mate have similar phenotypes, and then that results in obviously more homozygous trait. Like for example, say a dog has blue eyes, and then the dog mates with another dog who has blue eyes. That's called assortative mating because it's individuals who have similar phenotypes that mate, which results in more homozygous traits. Then disassortative mating means people who mate have different phenotypes, and then that results in more heterozygous traits. So say a blue-eyed dog mates with a pink-eyed dog. That's called disassortative mating. And then also we have sexual selection. So it's basically like a male or female choosing which male and female to mate based on their phenotype. Like say a male dog chooses to mate with a female dog because of their phenotype, or a female dog chooses to mate with their male dog because of their phenotype. That's what sexual selection means. And sexual dimorphism means the male and female who are the same species are different from each other. Like, say it's a blue-eyed male brown dog mating with a pink-eyed purple dog, female dog. So, and that is sexual dimorphism. So basically, in summary of mating, inbreeding means two similar individuals mating with each other, and that can result in more homozygous traits and also like homozygous harmful recessive alleles trait. And then preferred phenotype means an individual choosing who to mate with based on their phenotype. And then assortative mating means people that may have similar phenotypes, so that results in more homozygous trait. And then disassortative mating means people who may have different phenotypes, so that results in more heterozygous traits. And then sexual selection means male/female choose which male/female to mate with based on their phenotype. And sexual dimorphism means male/female, male and female from the same species that mate are different from each other. And then also assortative mating means individuals assortative mating means people who have similar phenotypes mate, and then disassortative mating means people have different phenotypes mate. And then and then also for the genetic drift, it's a change in allele frequency, and it's very random. And the bottleneck effect means large population becomes small due to a random natural disaster, such as starvation, disease, virus, etc. And then Fowler's effect means a small population leaves and start a new population, and that results in more homozygous traits. Rare alleles becoming more common, and low genetic diversity. Any questions? Comment down below. And then also last thing, assortative mating means people who may have same phenotypes, and then disassortative mating people may have different phenotypes. Peace.